Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic shrimp. Garlic makes everything so good, and this combination of garlic and shrimp recipe is really elegant and easy to make in under 20 minutes. So let's get started.
Okay guys, I have some shrimp here. I'm using the very huge kind, but you can use whichever kind you like. We're going to start by patting the shrimp dry. Once your shrimp is very nice and dry, we're going to cook them. So in a hot skillet, go ahead and heat up some olive oil as well as butter. Let the butter melt into the oil. Then on medium-high heat, we're going to let the oil get really hot and smoky, then add the shrimp. Go ahead and arrange the shrimp in a single layer. Then we're going to season with salt and pepper, then cook them for exactly 1 minute. After your shrimp has cooked for a minute, you're going to turn them over and you'll notice the other side is nice and seared. That's a good sign. Allow the other side to cook for 1 minute as well. Then we're going to add a whole lot of minced garlic. By the way, the garlic will not overpower the recipe, so you have to use a lot of it. Go ahead and let the garlic cook for about a minute until it gets fragrant. Then we're going to add some red pepper flakes for a little heat. We're also adding the juice of a whole lemon. Be careful not to get the lemon seeds in there. Then we're going to add some parsley. Go ahead and mix everything together. Let this cook for about a minute for all their flavors to come together. Then toss in some cold butter. The cold butter will make the sauce very nice and creamy. Once the butter melts into the sauce, you are ready to enjoy. This garlic shrimp came out very flavorful. The sauce is very garlicky, lemony, and buttery. Wait, I need to dip it in the sauce. You can enjoy this on its own or serve it over rice. It's really good. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.
Thank you guys so much for watching. When you try this recipe, send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.